This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the exact document page scope and locking a backup. This prevents accidental changes. Once done, decide whether a text or image watermark suits your purpose and prepare an image at 150-300 dpi for clarity. Next, open the Watermark menu under Design. If you don't see it, check the Layout tab. Now insert a built-in or custom watermark so you can immediately place and preview the initial mark on the page. This gets the process moving fast. You now refine the watermark so it supports readability without overpowering content. For a text watermark, choose a professional font, adjust size and color, and select diagonal or horizontal layout to match document style. For image watermarks, insert via picture watermark, set an appropriate scale, and enable washout to reduce contrast. Then switch into header view to manually move, rotate, or resize the watermark. This is why header editing gives precise placement and consistent repetition across sections. You finish by choosing whether the watermark applies to the whole document or specific sections. Use different first page and section breaks to control scope. Once satisfied, save and export to PDF to preserve layout across devices and printers. Make sure to inspect on multiple screens so contrast is correct. If the watermark appears invisible, check header view for overlapping objects, reduce transparency, or reinsert the image. And confirm section breaks aren't isolating pages. This single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.